Summer is the time of year to be outside and get active. And what better way to beat the heat than to get a kayak out onto the water? However, storing kayaks can be a real hassle when you're done with all the fun. Today, 80/20 is sharing a kayak stand solution that you can utilize and modify to meet your recreational needs. This stand is made out of 80/20's aluminum T-slot profiles, so it can withstand the harsh weather conditions without rusting over time. The adjustability of 80/20 products allows you to add racks for more storage or adjust existing racks for different sized boats. The stand is designed to be adjustable, modular, and as with all 80/20 applications, fully customizable. To bring this build together, we'll start by building our base. We'll add our casters and our cross support, then we'll drop in our uprights. From there, we'll install our racks in the desired locations that we want. Then we'll finish it off with our angled bars and end caps. While this stand has a lot of great features, it only serves as a good starting point for your custom solution. Perhaps you want to modify this stand to hold paddle boards, surfboards, kayaks or canoes, or anything else you need out on the water. With 80/20, we can create a solution that fits just right for you. A custom solution that fits your needs. Now hopefully you found this segment of Xtreme DIY helpful. If you'd like to download design files, a project plan, or get started designing your own kayak stand, please visit 8020.net. And as always, make it a great day.